Babies, it's your girl Receivers coming at you with another banger. Without further ado, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, because your girl really does appreciate it, and it lets YouTube, know that y'all really like it and the content I'm providing, because I'm trying, y'all. But yeah. So in today's video, nothing major. I purchased one item, right? Chia, and I seen it on YouTube. Y'all know, late night, we just chilling, trying to find something to watch, can't figure out nothing to watch. So you go on YouTube, you start looking at purse hauls, this type of haul, DH Gate, AliExpress. You just come across the news new, and I'm just looking, and they're showing like the new mini and micro bags. Y'all, came across this bag. I said, we gotta find it. Now, when I typed in to look up, just a little backstory, because y'all know me, I'm the gift of gab. It runs my mouth. So, I try to look for it on AliExpress. I'm trying to search, different, because you got to watch your wording. You can't exactly search the exact same thing that it would be with the real thing. You got to be a little razzle dazzle with your wording. So I couldn't find it. Came across a lovely gem, and I'm about to hip y'all onto it. I screenshotted the real thing, the picture, screenshotted it. Did a picture search on AliExpress, bada boom, bada bing, it found it. So I said, oh okay. So just a little word of advice for the wise. If you know how to screenshot your phone, depends on what phone you have. I know with my Samsung, I have to press the power button and the volume down button at the same time, or sometimes I can just swipe to the left or swipe to the right or swipe diagonal. Whatever. I know with my Samsung phone, I press the power button and the down button, and it screenshots my screen. So you might want to research how you can screenshot your phone and just do it like that. That's the easiest way I've learned to find certain type of bags on AliExpress. So we got this. And I also learned that off the Catfish. Just a little word to the wise. Screenshot that photo and search Google Images. Just saying. But y'all, I found this, thought it was so cute. I'm personally going to use it as maybe something to put, my lip gloss in, or because I don't really carry a lot of change. I do, if I park downtown, a lot of meters and stuff, or stuff like that. I might keep change, or when I go to Aldi's, you gotta keep a quarter on you, so stuff like that. But I might just use this as a bag charm. Y'all, I thought this was so cute. So it comes in just this regular schmegula dust bag. Y'all, look at this. Look at this. Y'all, this is a designer dupe of the Fendi first bag. It's the micro Fendi first bag. I thought this was so cute. And I did some research, and some people are using this as a bag charm, or literally putting coins in there. So I'm just I carry lip balm. I might could fit a lip balm in here. I can't fit no lip gloss, because as y'all can see, my lip gloss is Let's see. We might be able to see if we can put a butter gloss in here. We'll see. So off of the first impression is beautiful. So I got the black color because I just love black. We're getting ready for fall and winter. And y'all, I love pumpkin spice everything. I am that girl. I'm that gal. Pumpkin spice cookies, bread, food, Starbucks, hot, cold drinks. I'm that person. But back to this. So we have gold hardware. It also has this clip that you can, I don't know if y'all can see that, but the clip, so I can clip this on a bag. And it also has these two little clips right here, so you can actually wear this as a purse. But y'all know I'm a big body Benz, so I'm not wearing this as a purse, y'all. This would get swallowed up by the cleavage. So inside it has, hold on, wait, let's see what all it has inside. Okay, I guess it's supposed to be like air freshener. It says rose on there. Don't know. It has tissue tissue paper as a stuffer, which we can appreciate that because it's not all bent up and bent out of shape. So it does come with this yellow purse strap. Y'all, this is a baby. This ain't even, I'd be better off wearing this as a headband and wrapping it around a few times, or wearing it as a necklace, you feel me? Because this thing is not going over any of my midsection, not even a third, nothing. But yes, as you can see, this can be clipped on to here. Hold on, let's get it. Y'all hope my goofiness don't bother y'all, because I'm goofy. I got all types of ad libs. I'm gonna be singing, even though I can't sing. So that's just me. But as you can see, you can wear it as like a crossbody, or maybe just, you know, like this. But y'all, that's too many to be wearing like that. So I'm thinking about putting this on a purse. Yeah, I like this. I like this so bad. It's definitely a statement piece. I really couldn't get too jiggy with the actual Fendi first bag itself. That wasn't something I wanted to, you know, add to my collection. But when I seen this, I said, I definitely want to add this to my mini bag collection / charm collection. So I definitely had to get this. Off the back, I do see like a little nick right here. If y'all can see this right there. That doesn't bother me because it's just like what do you expect from AliExpress. I want to say this was like 15 bucks. Is it still on there? Not sure. But how I found it was I took a screenshot of the real thing and then searched by imaging, the image icon on AliExpress. I never noticed that search before, but definitely I utilize it now, so I would advise you guys to do the same. But y'all, this little thing is so cute. Just a little all around. There we go. And this is definitely a little cutesy. She's cute. There we go. Thumbnail. Hey. But yes, y'all, this is definitely cute. So I hope you enjoyed this mini video of my mini unboxing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Y'all just forgot that fast. I just told y'all we was gonna see what could fit in there. Y'all, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So we're gonna see if even, you know, a NYX butter gloss can fit in here. Let's see. Yeah, a NYX butter gloss cannot even fit in here. Y'all know NYX butter gloss, they're small. I don't want to force it in here, so I'm always breaking stuff. So yeah, y'all, maybe if you have something like slightly a little bit smaller than a NYX butter gloss, what are those ones? I think those pH coloring, you know, the ones that colors depends on your pH whatever level. I think it's, what is it, Winky Lux lip glosses, like the real itty bitty lip balms. Maybe that would fit in here. I'm not sure. I don't have nothing much smaller. No, y'all. Dang. Yeah, we really don't have nothing. Hold on, I got lip gloss over here. Let me see. Let's see if I got a Fenty Beauty one. That's a little bit small. Okay, so if you have something like this small, it fits in there. Oh wait, it doesn't. Wait, oh, hold up. Okay, yep, it fits in there. So if you have something that small, it will. Hold on, it will definitely fit in there. So yeah, y'all, you gotta have like maybe like a little bitty mini MAC lipstick, the mini ones, to fit in here. But if you got like big lip glosses, definitely not gonna work. But just had to come back and tell y'all that. But definitely could be used as a coin purse. So I'll see you guys on the next one.